Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, low miles. Features also include adaptive cruise control, high beam assist, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2021 Elantra. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror, front wheel drive. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, security system, MP3 player. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.